Welcome to the Bodhi Academy. My name is Shrutika and today let us continue with our chapter Principles of Inheritance and Variation. So today what we are going to study is codominance, which is in this today we will study the example of blood group. So what is codominance? Okay, so codominance, it is the phenomena of two alleles lacking dominance recessive relationship and both expressing themselves in the organism. So basically codominance is there is no dominant recessive relationship, that is both the alleles are expressing in the organism. So this is called as codominance. In human beings, A, B, O blood group are controlled by gene I. This gene has three alleles, that is IA, IB and small I. Any person contains any two of the three genes, that is IA, IB are the dominant over I, small I. So IA and IB are the dominant alleles and small I is the recessive allele. The plasma membrane of the red blood cell has sugar polymers that protrude from its surface, and the kind of sugar is controlled by the gene. When IA and IB are present together, both expresses their own type of sugar because of codominance. So this is about the codominance. In example is human blood group. So we will learn this using one example now. So this is a chart of human blood group, that is the table shows the genetic base of blood group in human population. So this is allele from the parent, first parent, and the allele from the second parent, the genotype of the offspring and the blood type of the offspring. So what the genotype of the offspring will be and what blood type the offspring will inherit. So allele from parent 1 and allele from parent 2. So allele from parent 1 is IA and IA. So IA and IB, both the genes are dominant. Okay. So what will happen is allele from parent 1 and allele from parent 2. So IA and IA, allele from parent 1. So the offspring will consist of, if the offspring consists of IA and IA from both the parent, what the offspring will have blood group will be A blood, because over here it is IA and IA, so both the genes are dominant, so it will be A blood group. So if it consists of IA and IB, IA from one parent and IB from one parent, so the offspring will have both the genes, that is IA and IB as being the dominant one, and we are studying codominance. The blood type will be AB. So then if one parent has IA and the second parent has a small I, so IA is the dominant allele and I is the recessive allele. So the offspring will have IA and small I, that is the blood group will be A type. If it is B and A, IA and IB, okay, so the offspring will consist of IA and IB, that is AB type. If from one parent, if the offspring has IB and IB blood group, then the offspring will consist of IB, that is the blood type will be B. Then if from one parent the child inherits IB and small I, so over here we know that IB is the dominant one and a small I is the recessive one. So the blood type of the offspring will be B type. If the offspring inherits small I from both the parent, the genotype of the offspring will be small I, and we know that small I is the recessive allele. So what will happen is the blood type of the child will be O blood. So this is how codominance occur in human being, that is in the blood group in the human population. So now let us continue with the other topic. So inheritance of two genes, that is so now we will see inheritance of two genes, that is dihybrid cross. A cross made to study simultaneously inheritance of two pairs of Mendelian factors of gene. So here what will happen is a cross is made to study. So that there will be two contrasting characters from the Mendelian factors of gene. So this is called as a dihybrid cross. So law of independent assortment. So the law states that when two pairs of traits are combined in a hybrid, segregation of one pair of character is independent of the other pair of character. In dihybrid cross, two new combination, that is round green and wrinkled yellow, are formed due to independent assortment of traits for seed shape, that is round and wrinkled, and seed color, that is yellow and green. So this states the law of independent assortment. So we will study the law of independent assortment with an example. Okay, so here we have a cross which is made between the parent generation, which has seed, that is seed color and seed shape. So these are two contrasting characters from the Mendelian gene table that we are considering. So over here, this is the round and yellow seed. And round and yellow seed means round and yellow. Both are dominant characters in seed shape and seed color. It is crossed with a plant having a seed that is wrinkled and green, which is again it is the recessive characters. Okay, so now we will write the gametes. The gametes will be round and yellow and wrinkled and green. So what the first generation we will get is round and yellow, that is round, that is capital R small r and capital Y small y. After selfing, what you will get is you will get the four sets of gametes. So when we cross these gametes in the Punnett square, this is called as a Punnett square. So this is how we cross the gametes, that is this capital R capital Y into capital Y capital R. So you will get round and yellow seeds. So likewise we will continue with the crossing, and what we get is a table of F2 generation. So when we do selfing of round and yellow and wrinkled and green seeds, what we will get as the second generation is there will be phenotypic ratio will be 9 seeds will be round and yellow, 3 seeds will be round and green, 3 seeds will be wrinkled and yellow, and 1 will be wrinkled and green. So this is how we can do the assortment of the traits based upon their genes. So this is called as law of inheritance of two genes, that is the dihybrid cross. So this is called as law of independent assortment, wherein all the genes can be separated using the Punnett square. So the ratio of 9:3:3:1 can be derived as a combination of series of 3 yellow, 1 green with 3 round, 1 wrinkled, and this derivation can be written as 3 round 1:1 wrinkled, 3 yellow 1 green, which is equal to 9 round yellow, 3 wrinkled yellow, 3 round green, and 1 wrinkled green. So this was about the law of independent assortment, that is dihybrid cross, and we have also seen the codominance in blood group. So this was about today's video. So we have seen codominance and we have seen dihybrid cross in today's video. Thank you for watching today's video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to the Bodhi Academy.